Hi, I'm Anita from Anita's Kitchen. I'm going to cook for you a chickpea pudla. This is one of my favorite foods while I was growing up. I remember my mom making it, so it just brings loads of childhood memories for me. And chickpea is good for vegetarians and vegans because we get proteins, irons. It's quite versatile as well. It's used as a thickening agent in lots of Indian cooking. So this is super quick, super easy. All you need is some courgettes, some carrots, a bit of ginger, garlic, chilies. I mean, you can avoid the chilies if you want, but as an Indian, I love them. So I've got marjoram here, just a spoon, half a spoon of salt, turmeric. Be quite careful with turmeric. The darker the color, the less you need, otherwise it will kind of spoil your dish. I like it quite tangy, so I put a bit of lime, or you can put a bit of lemon, anything that you got around. All you need to do is put a bit of water now. It has to be the same consistency as a pancake. This is basically an Indian version of a pancake. Vegetarian, vegans version of an omelette, I would say. So just mix it up. You can dump in any vegetables that you feel like. It's like kind of like a hidden way of hiding vegetables when you want your kids to eat it. And it's super easy. You need your pan to be quite hot. Now, can you see the consistency and the batter? It just folds through. So what you can do now is a trick that I have been using. Instead of putting oil on the pan, I kind of like swish the pan with the potato so the starch kind of helps it not to stick on the pan. I'm just going to add a bit more water in this, because it's just a bit too thick for me, because I like to spread it a lot. So now that's it, that's perfect. Scoop it up, a ladle full for one pancake. There you go. Turn it round, swirl it round. You'll see the bubbles starting to come, the steam coming up. I mean, this just reminds me of my days in Kenya, just the sunshine, the orange, the green, you know, it's just part of where I was born, where I was raised up, because we had a lot of trees growing around, and Kenya being we had lots of vegetables, root vegetables growing, so this is my way of getting my Kenyan roots in. So what you do, it's almost there, just wait around, see the bubbles coming, the steam coming. What I can tell you to do is another trick that I use. Instead of chickpea, I can also make this with multigrain. So it'll be the same thing, it's just that it's a multigrain. And it's quite healthy, quite nutritious for you. And this batter here, if you're a fan of onion bhajis, all you need to do is chop some onions, put it in, and then you can fry them. So now what I'm going to do is just flip this around. It's nearly coming through. There you go. That's it. All done. I'm just going to flip this through. Nice and round. You need to just swirl your scoop around. Sometimes depending on the stove or the pan that you have, it might be, you know, just the heat might not be right. So what I have here is one that I made earlier for you. I hope you like it as much as I do. I love this with a bit of yogurt, with a bit of pickle, and most of all with Indian masala tea. That's the best thing you can have with this. I hope you really enjoy it, and make sure you do try this at home. Trust me, you will love it.